Hey, it's great to have you back. So, we've talked a little bit about the data analysis process. As a quick refresher, the data analysis process phases are ask, prepare, process, analyze, share, and act. You might remember me saying earlier that this entire program is modeled after these steps. So, now we're going to really dig in and explore how each of these phases work together. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. First, let's spend a little time understanding the data lifecycle. No, data isn't actually alive, but it does have a life cycle. So how do data analysts bring data to life? Well, it starts with the right data analysis tool. These include spreadsheets, databases, query languages, and visualization software. Don't worry if you don't know how these work, or even what they are. At one point, every data analyst has been right where you are right now, and they probably had a lot of the same questions. I remember when I first started learning about spreadsheets. I was a young intern, and the company I was working for was in the middle of a big systems change. That meant we had to move tons of reports from the old system to the new one. After a few weeks, I noticed that even the people who are further in their careers were not as technically minded as I was. So that became a great opportunity for me to add value. My aha spreadsheet moment came when I started researching shortcuts that I could use to work with the spreadsheets more efficiently. This would really streamline the process of getting those reports moved over to the new system. Once everything started flowing, I remember getting emails from other finance analysts at the company. They were so grateful that someone had come in and fixed a problem that no one else could. That inspired me to go even further and learn how to use spreadsheets in all sorts of incredible ways. As you continue through this course, I bet you'll be just as impressed as I was. And before you know it, you'll bring data to life too. Let's get started.